Hey YouTube, let's go on another adventure today. Just get everything loaded up, closing up shop, getting ready to head north today. Ready guys? Got about 340 miles ahead of us today. Heading on up to North Maine Woods. All loaded up, got the camper. Just got off the highway in the beautiful state of Maine. We're gonna be meeting some friends for lunch at a restaurant called The Lost Kitchen.
Probably ready in a couple of weeks.
I got a camera that can fit in my pocket.
Good morning. You ready to go out? Good morning, Titan. I guess. Everybody in. Good morning from North Maine Woods. Just left Piston Farms. Quick ride right up the road. Puts us at a 20-mile checkpoint. We just checked in all our vehicles. We got 4 of us going. So now we officially have entered the North Maine Woods. We're all registered for one night. Making our way to the ghost trains now. We got 70 miles of dirt road ahead of us. Gets us all the way to the ghost trains, then we got a short hike in. I'm gonna try and show you guys a bunch of stuff on the way. Finally starting to approach our destination towards the trains. Pretty slow going, average pace for a while was like 11 miles an hour. So we're only about probably 3 miles out right now from the parking lot before we start our hike. It's definitely taken a lot longer to get out here than we had anticipated. But yeah, I'll take you guys with us, show you the trains. It's gonna be fun. Been looking forward to this for a while. Finished the ghost train hike. Pretty sweaty. I'm gonna make some lunch. Let's make a tuna melt. Back on the trail. Just left our hike from the ghost trains. We've got about, I think, 30 miles till we reach our camp for the night. Only campsite on the lake, I believe. So it'll be nice and private. Really looking forward to when we get there. No guarantees it'll be ours till we get there, so we don't know. Maybe somebody beat us to it. Closing in on our campsite. Are there people up ahead?
Yeah, I'm just seeing if there's more than one spot. We might have to be in the woods there.
Oh, that sucks. I have a backup.
Yep, okay.
Damn, this spot's sick too. Alright guys, this got interesting real quick. So we stopped to take photos, some video, crashed the drone, which is fun. I'll show you guys later. Then we got to our campsite that we had planned out. Sick campsite, by the way. Pretty big campsite too, and one guy had the whole thing. To top it all off, this huge storm system just rolled in. Hammering rain right now. So we got a few more options. We got to backtrack. We got 3 campsites that are kind of close to each other, so we're gonna go check those out and go make a decision from there. This dude is just goofy running right down the middle of the road.
Yeah, that's what mine did.
Packed up camp this morning, pretty uneventful. Last night took a long time to find a campsite. We had some fun during the day and took our time, which caused us to miss out on a lot of opportunities for campsite options. So this morning we just kind of packed up. We are making our way out of the North Maine Woods, heading through the T-Loss checkpoint, hoping for some good scenery. A lot of big puddles today, a lot of wet, a lot of mud, a lot of cleaning to do later. The rig is definitely probably dirtier than I've ever seen it. make some lunch. Just chop up a shallot. Crush up some peppercorns. Anything to crush these with. Well, it's not going to work. Right, let's see if this works. Crushed peppercorns. Shout out to Joe's Butcher and Bay for the Piedmontese sirloin. That looks nice. Cut the shots up a little more. Alright, let's check on these potatoes. Looks good. I'll get a nice sear on the steak, cook this all the way through. We're gonna make a peppercorn sauce. Now we're gonna make some peppercorn sauce. Those went pretty quick. Let's add the peppercorns. Alright, let's hit it with the sauce.
Thanks, Martha Stewart.
Yep. Not mad at that. Dude, what a sick cabin way back here in the woods. There's its own waterfall. Well, guys, this trip ended earlier than expected. It's 3:45 in the morning. We are just outside of Acadia National Park because Foxy and Titan need to take an unexpected trip to the vet. While we were out there, kind of noticed actually both of the dogs had a little bit of swelling on their eyes. Titan's swelling seemed a little bit worse. And then the dogs really wanted to go to bed. They kind of wanted to go to bed early, so put them in the camper. They were acting fine. Everything was all normal. Ate their dinner. Well, went to check on them. a little before bed, around 11 o'clock. I'd let them sleep for a little while. And I go in the camper, and Titan's face is just all swollen. One of his eyes was almost shut. Whole face was swollen. Mouth, muzzle, face, everything, all swollen up. At that point, I gave him Benadryl, found an emergency vet that was open, hour and a half south of us. So immediately packed up. Vet had told us to give him some Benadryl and give it like an hour, but knowing that we were at least an hour and a half away from a vet, I wasn't willing to wait the 2.5 hours, see if something got worse. Got these guys to the vet, got some steroid shots, some Benadryl. Got a nice bill here to bring home for us as a souvenir. The vet said it's probably something that anyone would have been allergic to, so probably like an insect bite, be something like that. They're back there sleeping now. We got about 4 hours ahead of us till we get back home. Really great friend of mine offered me a place to stay. He lives about an hour and a half south of where we are now. Thank you, Ryan. Appreciate that. Just gonna have a little caffeine, hope for a second wind, just put some miles down and get home. This is the end of this adventure for now. Hopefully nothing exciting happens. Thanks for tuning in.